Imagine launching a fully functional, stunning online store, complete with products, branding, and everything you need to sell, in just 40 minutes. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today, it becomes reality. I'm going to take you on an incredible journey. We're not just talking theory, we're doing a live, real-time build of a complete Shopify store, using nothing but the incredible power of artificial intelligence. No coding, no expensive designers, just pure AI magic. Get ready to witness the future of e-commerce. Introduction and the AI promise. Alright, so here's the audacious challenge. Can I truly go from an empty browser window to a published, ready-to-sell online store in just 40 minutes, relying exclusively on AI tools? This isn't a pre-recorded demo. This is happening right now, with all the raw, unedited moments. My mission today is to demystify e-commerce and showcase just how accessible it's become, thanks to AI. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to scale or someone who's always dreamed of starting an online business but felt overwhelmed, this video will provide a clear, actionable roadmap. We're going to break down every step, showing you precisely which AI tools to use and how to maximize their potential. Main point 1. The Foundation AI-powered brainstorming and creation 1.1 store naming and niche validation with ChatGPT. Every great store starts with a great idea and a great name. But brainstorming can be a black hole of wasted time. Enter ChatGPT, our primary ideation engine. Instead of staring at a blank page, I'm going to give ChatGPT some specific parameters. Let's say I want to focus on sustainable and unique home decor. I'll ask it for 20 unique, memorable store names, catchy slogans, and even some insights into the target audience for this niche. The key here is to be specific with your prompts. The more context you give, the better the output. See how quickly it generates a fantastic array of options. This is about getting high-quality ideas in seconds, not hours. I'll quickly scan through and select a few top contenders. We're looking for something brandable, easy to remember, and relevant to our niche. 1.2 Product identification and description generation. What products should we sell? Again, ChatGPT to the rescue. I'll prompt it to suggest 10 unique, high-demand, sustainable home decor products. Once I pick a few, like reclaimed wood wall art and upcycled glass vases, I'll immediately ask ChatGPT to write compelling, SEO-optimized product descriptions for each. Notice how it weaves in benefits, emotional language, and relevant keywords. This isn't just generic text. This is marketing copy designed to sell. I can even ask it to write different versions, a short one for product listings and a longer one for product pages. This automates one of the most tedious parts of e-commerce. Main point 2. Visual appeal and branding. AI-powered design 2.1 Stunning product mockups with Printify. Now for the visual representation of our products. You don't need a photography studio to have professional-looking product images. This is where Printify shines. It's our print-on-demand partner, and it offers an incredible mockup generator. I'll quickly choose a few products identified earlier, perhaps a canvas print and a decorative pillow. I'll then upload a simple design, or even use one of Printify's basic design tools, and watch as it generates high-quality, realistic mockups. Printify provides a vast catalog, from apparel to home goods, ensuring you can find products for almost any niche. The ease of creating these visuals without a single physical product is revolutionary for e-commerce entrepreneurs. These mockups are crucial for convincing customers and making your store look legitimate and appealing. 2.2 Instant branding and logo design with Canva. A strong brand identity builds trust and recognition. For professional-looking branding, even without design skills, we turn to Canva. Canva has powerful AI features that can help us create a logo, select brand colors, and even generate social media graphics. I'll use our chosen store name and niche keywords to let Canva's AI suggest some logo designs. I'll quickly pick a template, tweak the colors to align with a natural, earthy aesthetic, perfect for sustainable decor, adjust the font, and download it. This rapid design capability ensures my brand looks cohesive and professional, all in a matter of minutes. Main point 3. The Shopify build. Assembling the store with our products, descriptions, and branding ready. it's time to bring it all together on the ultimate e-commerce platform, Shopify. 3.1 Shopify Theme Selection and Basic Customization. First, selecting a theme. Shopify offers a wide range of free and paid themes. For speed, I'll pick a clean, minimalist free theme that allows our products to shine. Once activated, I'll jump into the theme customizer. This is where we'll add our newly designed logo, adjust the color scheme to match our Canva branding, and set up our basic navigation. The goal here is speed and functionality, knowing we can always refine later. 3.2 Product Import and Page Creation. Now for the core of the store, adding our products. The seamless integration between Printify and Shopify is a game changer here. See how effortlessly those Printify products, complete with their high-quality mockups and the detailed descriptions we generated with ChatGPT, are populating my store. The integration is flawless. I'm just quickly reviewing each product, ensuring all the details are correct. Every online store needs essential pages like About Us, Contact Us, and Legal pages. Instead of writing them from scratch, I'll quickly prompt ChatGPT for content for an About Us page that tells our brand story, and a Contact Us page. For the legal pages, Shopify has built-in generators, but for more tailored content, AI can assist. This ensures our store is professional and compliant, all without writing a single line of copy manually. Main point 4. Going live and monetization strategy. 4.1 Publishing and real-time preview. And with that, the moment of truth. We click Publish Store, and just like that, our online store is live and accessible to the world. Look at this. A fully functional, beautifully designed online store, complete with products, compelling descriptions, cohesive branding, and all the essential pages. It's responsive, looks fantastic on both desktop and mobile, and is officially open for business. From zero to a global storefront in a fraction of the time. 4.2 Understanding monetization. E-commerce and print on demand. So, you've seen the speed of creation. But how do you actually make money with this store? This store is set up for e-commerce from day one. Customers can browse, add products to their cart, and securely check out. But the real magic, especially for beginners, lies in the print-on-demand (POD) model, powered by Printify. No upfront inventory costs. You never buy a product until a customer purchases it. This dramatically reduces financial risk. Zero shipping hassles. Printify handles all the printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer. Your role is purely marketing and customer service. Vast product catalog. Access to hundreds of customizable products without needing a warehouse or complex logistics. Scalability. Easily add new designs and products as your business grows, with no added operational burden. This combination of Shopify's powerful platform and Printify's efficient pod system, all supercharged by AI for creation, creates an incredibly lean and profitable business model. It allows you to focus on marketing and growing your brand, while the AI and pod partners handle the heavy lifting. Call to action. There you have it. A complete, professional Shopify store, built almost entirely by AI, in just 40 minutes. This isn't a pipe dream. It's a tangible reality that you can replicate. The barrier to entry for e-commerce has never been lower. If you've been sitting on an idea, felt limited by technical skills, just didn't know where to start, I hope this live demonstration has ignited your entrepreneurial spirit. The AI tools are here, they're accessible, and they're waiting for you to unlock their potential. Are you ready to build your own AI-powered e-commerce empire? Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more cutting-edge business insights, and let me know in the comments, what will you sell in your AI-built store? Until next time, keep innovating, keep building, and let AI empower your entrepreneurial journey.